So hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. Here we will understand how we can redeem CWY token into our wallet from the Canada Waleyar. In the next step, we will understand how we can transfer CWY token from one wallet to the another. And in the third step, we will understand how we can transfer CWY wallet or CWY token from the wallet back again to our Canada Waleyar. So for the first step, you need to visit our web portal, which is app.canadawaleyar.com. So here you need to sign in. For this lecture I am using sign with Google. So I am proceeding with my account. You can also use your email, also use your Gmail authentication. When you land on this hero section, which is our landing page, so you just need to go to the my crypto wallet by clicking this icon and go to my crypto wallet. So before jumping straight into how we can redeem CWY token, first need to make sure that you need to have a phantom wallet. So in this lecture we are covering how you can do all the three steps using your phantom wallet. So what phantom wallet does is that it does you hold your CWY token. So what you need to do, you just need to search on Google phantom, visit the phantom web page. Here you can download the phantom for your desktop, but for this purpose I am suggesting you can download the extension for the phantom. You can go ahead and choose your browser, for which browser you want to download. Click on desired browser and add to Chrome. By default I have already added the phantom wallet. Once you download the phantom wallet, it will ask you to set up your password and download your seed phrase. Once completing all the steps, you will get your interface like this, which I am showing to you. Enter your password. So yeah, this is the mainnet account. You can see my, so in this wallet I have created 2 accounts. So it is you need to click on this icon to copy your Solana address. Okay, so after downloading phantom wallet and configuring this, you need to make sure that you have sufficient Solana so that you can use this Solana for the gas fees, like transferring token from one person to one wallet to another, and also transferring token again back to the Canada Waleyar. So let me just jump to the app.canadawaleyar.com. Click on connect Solana wallet, click on phantom. So here, because I have already installed phantom wallet as an extension, so here it is asking me to sign the message. So I need to click on confirm. Just wait for a few seconds. So yeah, you can see my wallet is connected. So when you hover on the wallet, you can see this is our wallet address. This will be used to transfer the token and redeem the token from the vault, and this is the account address. In the wallet you can create multiple accounts, so by default I am using account 0, so here this is being the account address. The next row displays how much CWY tokens you hold. Currently I have not made any transaction, so you can see I have 0 CWY, and also how much Solana balance I have. So right now I have something 0.007 Solana. That is more than sufficient to use for the demo purposes. So after connecting the wallet, what you do, you just need to click on request CWY. By default it will use your Solana wallet, phantom wallet as a primary wallet. So you need to make sure you can link multiple wallets, but when you click on request CWY, it will fetch the address of the wallet which is selected as a primary. Okay, so in the next step you can need to write how much CWY token you need to take, or you need to make a request. So here I can, let me just for the demo purposes I write 1 and I click on, you need to click on, after writing the amount how much CWY token you want, just need to click on request CWY. So this is a live feedback where you can see all the like you have submitted the request and the request goes to our portal, So just wait for a few seconds. After this, your request will be approved from our side. As you can see, request is approved. So you can see the wallet, the token is transferred to my Phantom wallet. In the transaction log, you can see all the details of the transaction, like which wallet address it was transferred, and request date, time, ID, transaction signature. Also, you can view all the transaction details on the Solana Explorer to further deep dive about all the transaction metadata and all the information. So now for the confirmation, let me show you that I have received one CWY token from the Canada Waleyar. Yeah. So now, so the next step is to make you understand that how we can transfer this CWY token from one wallet to the another. So for this example, I am taking my backpack wallet. So for the same, you need to download, just like I have downloaded the Phantom, you need to download the backpack wallet. So it's backpack. Go to backpack exchange. Just backpack.app and click on Chrome extension. So it will redirect to this page. I have already downloaded it, and it will ask the same. It will ask again the same step, like what is the amount, what is the password you need to configure it, and download your seed phrase. Once you complete all the steps, you need to again give your password, and then you see this type of interface. Okay. So now the next step is you need to copy this address. So I have two wallets. So what I do, I need to copy this address, go to my Phantom wallet, and because I am doing the peer-to-peer transfer, so I need to click on send to choose my token Canada Waleyar, deposit the address, and click on the amount you need to transfer. By default, we need to take the integer values, so you have to click on max and next. Once send, wait, and transaction successful. See, it has transferred the token. Also, you can see on Solcell all the details. Also check on the backpack wallet. So yeah, you can see now the token has been transferred, Canada Waleyar, and all the token details like price, address. Okay, so now the next step is how to deposit the SOL back to the vault. Now the next step is how we can transfer this CWY token again back to the vault, like which is our Canada Waleyar. So here we need to again go to the app, our app page, go to deposit to vault, choose your primary wallet. By default it is taken a Phantom wallet because I've just connected the one wallet. So you can see all the details like the Phantom wallet address, also how much CWY token it holds, Solana amount it holds, and the vault destination, which is our vault address, which contains all the tokens. The destination address where we have received the tokens. You can see all the address. You can search more about this address by going to Solana Explorer and see all the history of this address. So by default taken the amount you need to send. So let me just because I have only one CWY, so I will click on deposit to vault. Yeah, so my Phantom wallet is open. You can see the network fee. You can confirm. Wait. So yeah, so you can see. So one CWY token is now transferred from your Phantom wallet